Hello children, here you will learn exercise 4.2 of chapter number 4 practical geometry. Here in exercise 4.2 question number 2 of 1 is given like this. Construct quadrilateral GOLD where OL is 7.5 centimeter, GL is 6 centimeter, GD is 6 centimeter, LD is 5 centimeter and OD is 10 centimeter. Okay. So before constructing quadrilateral GOLD, we will draw the rough sketch. So this way you have to draw the rough sketch first so that you can get the idea how to construct the quadrilateral. Okay. So here is the rough sketch. Now in this rough sketch you can see that there are two diagonals, diagonal OD and diagonal GL, and their length are given, that is 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. So here we will take diagonal OD as a base. Okay, diagonal OD as a base we will take. So first of all, let's draw diagonal OD is 10 centimeter. So let's draw it. Let's start to construct the quadrilateral. So first step, I repeat, to draw line segment OD 10 centimeter. So with the help of scale, draw line segment OD 10 centimeter this way. Okay, and put the point O and point D and also mention its length, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, now next step, see here in rough sketch, here OD, on the upper side of line segment OD there is one triangle, that is OLD. Okay, now here we will construct line segment OL. So for that we will adjust 7.5 centimeter radius on compass. Okay, so let's adjust 7.5 centimeter radius on compass with the help of scale. So this way you can adjust 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter radius on compass. Yes, 7.5 centimeter radius on compass. Now taking O as a center, draw an arc with radius 7.5 centimeter. So draw an arc of 7.5 centimeter this way. Okay, then we will construct now line segment LD of 5 centimeter. Okay, so now we will adjust radius 5 centimeter on compass. So with the help of scale and compass we will adjust 5 centimeter radius this way. 5 centimeter radius. Okay, so here we have adjusted 5 centimeter radius on compass. Now taking D as a center, we will draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at point, see in the rough sketch, at point L. So we will give name to this intersecting point as L. Okay, now next step is to join point O and point L. So with the help of scale, join point O and point L. Point O and point L. Then point L and point D. Okay, so here we have constructed triangle OLD. See in the rough sketch. Now to construct triangle OGD. But here see, the length of OG is not given. So we will construct first diagonal. Okay. So for constructing diagonal LG, we will adjust 6 centimeter radius on compass. So adjust 6 centimeter radius on compass. Okay, 6 centimeter radius on compass. Now we will take L as a center and we will draw an arc. Okay. Then now we will construct DG. So for that we have endpoint D. So now we will adjust 6 centimeter radius on compass. Already we have adjusted, so we will not disturb it, and we will take D as a center and we will draw an arc. Okay, we will draw an arc. Fine. Now here we get another intersecting point and we give name to that intersecting point as G. Okay. Now next step is to join point G and point O. Similarly, to join point D and point G. Okay children. Now also we have to join points L and G. And also mention the length of all the sides as we have constructed. Line segment OL we have constructed 7.5 centimeter. LD we constructed of 5 centimeter. Then GD we constructed of 6 centimeter and diagonal LG we constructed 6 centimeter. Okay, so here quadrilateral GOLD is required quadrilateral. I repeat all the steps once again. Step 1, to draw line segment OD 10 centimeter. Step 2, taking O as a center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc upward of line segment OD. Step 3, taking D as a center with radius 5 centimeter, draw another arc upward of line segment OD which intersect previous arc at point L. Step 4, join point O and point L and join point L and point D. Step 5, taking L as a center with radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc downward of line segment OD. Next step, step number 6, taking D as a center with radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc downward of line segment OD which intersect previous arc at point G. Step 7, join point G and point D, point O and point G, point L and point G. Hence quadrilateral GOLD is required quadrilateral. Okay children, so this is the solution of question number 2 of 1 of exercise 4.2, construction of quadrilateral GOLD. Okay, bye bye.